Have you ever heard of binaural beats? They're a fascinating phenomenon that can have a profound impact on your brain. Binaural beats are created by playing two different frequencies in each ear simultaneously. These frequencies are slightly different from each other and are called carrier tones. When your brain hears these two frequencies, it creates a third frequency that matches the difference between the two carrier tones. This is called the binaural beat. Binaural beats can have different effects on your brainwaves, depending on the frequency used. For example, a low-frequency binaural beat can help promote relaxation, while a high-frequency binaural beat can increase focus and alertness. Research has shown that binaural beats can be effective in reducing anxiety, improving mood, and enhancing cognitive performance. To experience the benefits of binaural beats, simply put on a pair of headphones and listen to a recording of the desired frequency. Just make sure to listen in a quiet environment and avoid using them while driving or operating heavy machinery. Try binaural beats today and see how they can positively impact your mind and body.